Here 3 upon 8 times 8 gives us only 8 cancel to each other, only 3. Now 18 divide 3 gives us 6, but this answer is not correct. Because according to order of operation, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division. After that, addition or subtraction. And remember that multiplication and division have equal priority. Work from left to right. Same like addition and subtraction. In this expression, there are only two symbols. One is division and multiplication. So first we solve division, then multiplication. 18 divide 3 upon 8 times 8. Here, when 18 times 8 upon 3 times 8, now 3 cancel to 18, 6, so 6 times 8 times 8. Finally, 3 all multiplications, 48 times 8. Finally, 48 times 8 gives us 3, 8, 4. This is the right answer.